So, why do we sin? Have you ever gone through something in your life and you know that what you're doing is wrong, but you continue to do it anyway, knowing that it's sin? So, why do we do that? Well, sinning is considered a universal human struggle rooted in a fallen or bent nature, inherited from the biblical fall, where humanity inherited a tendency towards selfish, disobedient desires. People frequently sin due to immediate impulses, lack of thought, and the belief that self gratification, sin, offers a better outcome than obeying God. It persists because of living in a broken world, eternal weaknesses, and the ongoing temptation, even for those seeking to follow God. Key reasons for constant sin include a fallen nature, often described as bentness, as I've said, towards selfishness, of a desperately sick heart that produces sinful thoughts and actions, misguided beliefs. Every sin stems from a belief that is forbidden action will bring you more happiness than obedience. Human weakness and impulses, many sins are committed in the moment. Example, outbursts of anger, careless words, without thinking of the consequences. External temptation, people face ongoing spiritual and worldly temptations that appeal to the desire of the flesh. Habit and unchecked desires. Sin becomes a habit when personal selfish needs, pleasure, power, control are not addressed. While some views see this as a necessary part of the human condition that allows for repentance and divine forgiveness, others see it as a struggle against the sinful nature that believers are called to overcome.